I sent it to you.
Guys, it's snowing. It's starting to come down. We're gonna head up to Kirkwood, which is one of my favorite is my favorite mountain out here, and we're gonna shred. It's gonna be so sick. Heated seats, baby. Those things are rock.
I'm saying, like, if you're curious about how big Japan,
it's dumping right now. Heck yeah. It's one of those days where you gotta throw your gear on in the car before you get out of it, because it's coming down so hard. Hopefully, and it looks like they got like 3 inches on the ground already, which will be huge because they didn't have any fresh snow prior to this. Like it didn't start snowing until like 5 in the morning. All right, guys, it should be a sick powder day. Let's go shred. I forgot to tell you guys, Ben got new bindings yesterday. They're the Union Flight Pro, so they're like the contacts, just the cheaper version. Should be super sick. I'm really excited for them.
There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far.
Guys, I can't believe we got another amazing powder day at Kirkwood. This mountain is insane. The only way to really ride it is with snow like this, and we're getting spoiled for a second year in a row, which means we're gonna be so tired for the rest of the trip. Oh, you had it.
I sent it to you.
You look so ridiculous.
It's so nice falling in this stuff. It's so whatever.
I got so scared I was gonna kill you. Alright guys, we're hitting lunch hard because we need it to keep riding all this POW. It just keeps dumping. The worst part about going to the lodge on days like this is you're covered in snow and you're wet. It's all gonna melt. It's gonna get wet, which is awful.
I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again, we're bringing this back to life.
There's so much snow. Woo. My legs are burning. Jump it. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sent that.
Yeah.
Like you sent that. You went high.
I know. That's why I died. Alright.
I wasn't ready. I almost hit a tree. Hey, that was sick.
I did it.
That was sick. You okay?
Yeah.
Look at him now. Give me a thumb. Give me a thumbnail. Guys, what a sick day. I love Kirkwood. Definitely my favorite mountain out here in California. It is such a gnarly mountain. I can't even explain it on camera because there's cliffs everywhere, trees. It's so sick. And the powder, heck yeah. You have fun?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. It's good. All this snow got here after we did. That's insane. Oh man, today was so sick. Like, these are the things you hope for when you go on a trip and it's like they have no snow. You hope they get snow when you're out there, and it just keeps happening to us. So that's so sick. Oh, this thing is soaking wet. Guys, for today's sticker shout out, we have Jeremy Mings, the 2 helmets, the white Evolution, looking sick. Looking like today we had a superstorm. Super sick. Hope you guys enjoyed your powder, because we enjoyed ours a ton. It was so much fun. Guys, if you want to get any of our Evolution gear, stickers, any of that, that's all linked in the description. Jeez. And then tag me on Instagram at Johnathan Buckhouse so we can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a like, give it a share, and then subscribe to our channel for more awesome, super fun content like this, guys. We're out here for a couple more days. Super stoked. It's supposed to keep snowing. So it should be a lot more fun powder days, and we'll go all around. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you next time. Gotta keep my eye on my little brother.